If you are over 35 years old, you need to pay very close attention right now. What if I told you that a simple drink, made with an ingredient you probably already have in your kitchen, could transform your health, improve your sleep, and even protect your heart? Would you believe it? Stay with me until the end of this video, because today I'm revealing the powerful secrets of clove water, a natural remedy backed by science and trusted for generations. And before we dive in, take a second to subscribe and hit that like button, because you won't want to miss more discoveries like this that can completely change your health and your life. Now, let's set the stage. Imagine ending your day with a warm, soothing drink that not only relaxes your body, but also works overnight to repair, heal, and energize your system. This isn't some expensive supplement or complicated routine. It's clove water, a magical infusion prepared in minutes, yet carrying centuries of traditional wisdom, and now validated by modern studies. And here's the thing. The earlier you start including it in your life, the faster you'll feel the benefits. Clove, or Syzygium aromaticum, is a spice most people recognize from its strong aroma, its use in cooking, or even as a flavor in teas. But hidden inside this small brown bud is a compound called eugenol, which is the real star of the story. Eugenol is an antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial powerhouse. When released into water and consumed at night, it becomes a gentle yet potent ally for digestion, detox, immunity, and much more. Let's start with one of the first benefits most people notice: better digestion. If you often feel heavy after dinner, bloated, or wake up with discomfort, clove water can be a game changer. Studies show that eugenol stimulates the production of digestive enzymes like amylase and lipase, which break down carbohydrates and fats. It also helps suppress harmful bacteria in the gut, while encouraging the growth of friendly bacteria that support balance. The result? Less bloating, smoother digestion, and improved nutrient absorption while you sleep. Can you imagine waking up lighter, more comfortable, and with more energy just because of a small cup of clove water before bed? But the magic doesn't stop there. One of the most powerful effects of clove water is its ability to reduce inflammation. We know that chronic inflammation is at the root of many modern diseases, from arthritis to cardiovascular problems. Eugenol naturally blocks QX enzymes, the same enzymes targeted by common painkillers, but without the harsh side effects. At the same time, clove water delivers antioxidants, vitamin C, vitamin E, flavonoids, and gallic acid, that travel through your bloodstream neutralizing free radicals. The timing is perfect. While you sleep, your body is already in repair mode, and clove water supercharges this process, reducing cellular damage and helping tissues heal. Another area where clove water shines is liver health. Think about your liver. It's your body's ultimate detox machine, filtering out toxins, processing everything you eat and drink, and supporting countless vital functions. Over time, poor diet, alcohol, or environmental stress can overwhelm it. But studies have shown that clove extracts reduce lipid peroxidation, essentially protecting the liver cells from damage while also promoting regeneration. A 2016 study even suggested that clove compounds could assist in restoring liver function in compromised cases. Drinking clove water at night supports your body's natural detox process, making your mornings feel fresher, clearer, and more energized. And here's something that may surprise you. Clove water can help regulate blood sugar. A 2019 study confirmed that compounds in cloves stimulate insulin production and improve insulin sensitivity, allowing your body to manage glucose more effectively. For people worried about blood sugar spikes or insulin resistance, this is incredible news. Imagine supporting your metabolism and energy balance with something as simple as an evening drink. Now let's talk about your respiratory system. Eugenol has a calming effect on the airways, helping reduce inflammation and suppress cough. If you suffer from mild congestion or throat irritation at night, clove water can bring soothing relief, letting you breathe easier and sleep deeper. And that brings us to sleep itself. So many people struggle to fall asleep or to stay asleep. The gentle sedative properties of eugenol, along with beta-caryophyllene, help calm the nervous system, lower anxiety, and prepare the body for deep, restorative rest. No wonder so many people report sleeping like a baby after drinking clove water before bed. Halfway through our journey, let me pause for a moment. If you're learning something new here, if you're excited about the potential of this natural remedy, please take just a second to subscribe and hit the like button. It helps this channel grow and ensures more people can benefit from powerful, natural health knowledge like this. And remember, you could be the reason someone discovers a life-changing habit. Beyond digestion, inflammation, and sleep, clove water has even more to offer. Let's look at bone health. Research published in 2019 and 2021 showed that eugenol, along with other clove compounds, stimulates bone mineralization and density. For women and men over 35, when bone strength naturally begins to decline, this is critical. A simple nightly ritual could help maintain stronger bones for decades. And don't overlook your oral health. For centuries, clove oil has been used to relieve toothaches and gum inflammation. Drinking clove water provides those same antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory benefits from the inside out, reducing the growth of harmful bacteria in the mouth and calming gum tissues. Think of it as a natural, gentle rinse that works systemically. Your heart also benefits every time you sip clove water. The antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds protect blood vessels, while vasodilatory effects help improve circulation and reduce blood pressure. Combined with better sleep, balanced blood sugar, and reduced inflammation, clove water becomes a true ally for cardiovascular health. And let's not forget metabolism and weight management. By improving digestion, supporting blood sugar stability, and even curbing appetite through compounds that influence hunger hormones, clove water can assist in maintaining a healthy weight. Many people who drink it nightly report reduced cravings and more balanced energy during the day. Some research has even pointed to potential anti-cancer benefits. While no natural remedy should ever replace professional treatment, the antioxidants and anti-inflammatory effects of clove have been linked to a reduced risk of certain cancers. It's yet another reason this tiny spice deserves a place in your nightly routine. So how do you prepare it? It's beautifully simple. Take 5 to 6 whole cloves, add them to 2 cups of water, and simmer gently on low heat for 15 to 20 minutes. Let it cool slightly, strain it, and sip before bed. Up to 2 cups a day is considered safe for most adults. The flavor is warm, slightly sweet, and aromatic, a natural comfort as you wind down. Of course, like any powerful natural remedy, moderation matters. Drinking too much clove water could lead to side effects such as digestive upset, heartburn, or, in rare cases, allergic reactions. If you take anticoagulant medications, you need to be cautious, because clove can increase bleeding risk. And if you ever experience nausea, diarrhea, or skin irritation, scale back your intake or stop altogether. But for the vast majority of people, this is a safe, affordable, and incredibly effective way to support overall wellness. Think about it. Better digestion, reduced inflammation, stronger liver, stable blood sugar, improved sleep, healthier bones, stronger heart, clearer breath, balanced weight, all from a nightly ritual that costs almost nothing. Why wouldn't you give it a try? So here's my challenge to you. Tonight, prepare your first cup of clove water and see how you feel tomorrow morning. Then, keep it up for a week and notice the difference in your digestion, your sleep, and your overall energy. Sometimes the most powerful solutions are the simplest ones, and clove water is living proof of that. Before you go, don't forget, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell, because we're just getting started with natural health tips that can transform your life. Leave a comment below if you're going to try clove water tonight, and share this video with a friend or family member who could benefit from it. Together, we can spread knowledge, health, and vitality, 1 cup at a time.